Hi, my name is André Klauberg. I'm a mechanical engineer living in Brazil, but I also have a registration in Portugal. I have more than 20 years experience in my field. So I may divide my career in some distinct periods, starting from 1999 when I got graduated. I started at WEG Industries as a routine process engineer, working in reduction of costs through productivity improvement, indirect material cost reduction, quality improvement, and so on. And all related documentation that I had to prepare for the routine. In 2002, I made my first post-graduation focusing on quality too and process improvement. So I've learned in many root cause analysis tools like Six Sigma, DMake, and others. I learned the design of experiments, hypothesis tests, and so on. So I could apply all this in my routine. I also worked in some Kaizens, just-in-time Kanban implementation in one assembly line, and also some single-minute exchange die Kaizens. This was the first period of my career. In the second moment that I started to coordinate a cross-functional team with the objective to improve tool in the company. There was a $3 million per year budget to be managed. So we coordinate many actions with machining technicians and also with procurement in order to reach the company goals. During the period, I consolidate my Six Sigma knowledge through many projects, practical projects, in order to apply the techniques and give results to the company. In 2007, I started my master degree. I worked in a minimal quantity lubrication project together with a university and a German company named Vogel. We implemented this technology in many machines in WEG with really successful results. I started to apply the Six Sigma techniques I've learned in machining area to other processes. So I worked with the casting team. They had a demolding problem in their automated line, so we worked together to improve the quality. I also worked with a big assembly line project. There was a clearance quality problem. This was a complex project with many variables, so we applied the design of experiment approach and made also a regression model in order to detect root cause, main factors, and forecast best solutions. In the end of 2012, I got the opportunity to move to another company named Embraco. It was part of Whirlpool Corporation, but the headquarters of Embraco that makes compressors for the Whirlpool Corporation is based in Brazil. So I started to work in international projects, first in Mexico with process homologations there, but also worked doing some technology developing process. I highlight one special project here for Slovakian plant. We had challenging tolerances to reach due to the high efficiency needed for this compressor. So we had to develop some new technologies inside the company in partnership with external suppliers. So there was a new grinding process with a partner in Germany, and also super finish process that we developed in the beginning with a German and later with an American supplier in order to reach our project goals. A honing line transfer was necessary to the Slovakian plan, so we worked with an Italian supplier to develop the full solution for the Slovakian project. Inside the scope of this product, we had to fit a 50-station transfer line in Slovakia. This was a really challenging project that we'll speak a little bit later more. In the end of the Slovakian project, we delivered a new grinding and new superfinishing process, fully automated in the Slovakian plant. I moved to more project management position, working with the general project leader and the top management as a bridge to the process team inside some projects in China. So all assembly, mechanical and electronical assembly, the machining, welding, stamping, and chemical process were coordinated by me in these projects. Here we had the support of PMO governance to apply the best management techniques, mainly the waterfall approach for these projects. We had some smaller projects from early stages of development applying agile, but this was not the mainstream. In parallel, in this project, we had to develop technologies for the China plant in our R&D lab. We had a special demand for sealing and tribological high performance surface. There was metrology challenges and also manufacturing challenges to be fulfilled, and I'll coordinate these activities. At this moment, I work with startups in the industrial field, especially applying the knowledge I've got prior. I do also some Six Sigma instruction due to my broad experience in this field. So I may summarize my technical experience in 4 fields as shown here. First one is continuous improvement process engineer, working with lean tools, quality tools, in order to improve the routine of process. The second one is a global field implementation process engineer. To deliver the lines, we have to prepare all the technical specifications of the equipment, make the layout studies, plan also the documentation according to APQP standards and world-class manufacturing standards, autonomous maintenance, professional maintenance, the workplace definitions, safety, environment requirements. We have some specific world-class manufacturing cost analysis to do and the specific equipment failure, and all must be delivered in the end running in the lines ready for product launch and the start of production. The fourth field is technology development. As I explained in my journey, I worked in partnership with universities and global suppliers, applying advanced tools to develop products and process. The last one is the project management field. With the governance of PMO support, we are able to apply the best practices of waterfall management. Here are shown some examples of the deliverables that I had to provide for each project I worked in for all manufacturing process that was under my umbrella management. Speaking a little bit of my soft skills, I highlight that the experience in Slovakia, China, Mexico, and with many global suppliers give me cultural awareness of global teams of diversity. I've coordinated teams of up to 30 engineers and technicians. And also I've got resilience and adaptability due to some challenging projects. The most challenging project I worked with was the retrofitting transfer line in Slovakia. We had only 12 weeks to do the stoppage, no day more. And we had a problem with the Italian manufacturer of the line. They didn't support us accordingly. We had to build a team of Slovakians and Brazilians that had good retrofitting knowledge and coordinate all the tools, all the pieces to be manufactured. And this was a really under pressure project with lots of uncertainties, but we reached a successful result in the end, delivering the line working in 12 weeks. So, how may I contribute to your company? I'm looking for opportunities abroad. Here you can see my email contact. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon.